People often think they know the story of Irish America, but there's a lot more to it than famine and famous presidents.
As America marks 250 years of independence, we're asking a simple question. How much of America's story is also Ireland's?
In Ireland and the Making of America, we speak to leading historians and authors about the people, the events, the ideas that still connect Ireland to the United States today.
From the American Revolution to machine politics in New York and Boston, from literature to sport to music, from immigration to identity, we'll uncover the stories that are celebrated, complicated, and sometimes overlooked.
If you're interested in Irish history, or simply in how one small island helped shape one of the most influential countries in the world, join us on Ireland and the Making of America.
Coming soon on all your favorite podcast platforms.